Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Minecraft installer error 2503. If you were trying to install or completely uninstall the Minecraft launcher on your Windows PC and keep getting hit with error 2503 or its partner error 2502, your operating system is actively blocking the setup from writing temporary files. I will show you exactly how to bypass these strict Windows permissions and fix your installer right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most common reason for this installation error is that your core Windows temporary folder has somehow lost its basic administrator write permissions. Open your File Explorer, click on your main C drive, open the Windows folder, and scroll down until you find the folder explicitly named Temp. Right-click this temp folder, select Properties, and navigate to the Security tab at the top. Click the Edit button, select your specific user account or the administrators group from the list. Check the box to allow full control, and click Apply to instantly restore the installer's write access. Next, if the folder permissions are completely locked up and Windows refuses to let you change them, you can forcefully bypass the error by running the installer file through an elevated system console. Open your Windows Start menu, type CMD, right-click on the Command Prompt app, and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Now, locate your downloaded Minecraft installer file, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, right-click the file, and select Copy as Path. Simply paste that copied path directly into the black command prompt window, press Enter, and the installer will safely bypass the permission block. Finally, if you still receive error 2503 even when running as an administrator, the core Microsoft installation service itself is deeply glitched in the background. Open your Start menu, search for Command Prompt again, and make sure to run it as administrator. Type the command msicchexec /unreg and press Enter to completely unregister the broken background service. Immediately after, type msicchexec /reg server and press Enter to freshly reset the service to its default state. Restart your computer and your Minecraft launcher will finally install without any errors. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.